before Succos. So Succos is 5 days after Yom Kippur. One should attempt to increase his tzedakah given prior to Succos. He always should invite guests who are impoverished and in need, so that to enable them to enjoy the Yom Tov. So that's especially in olden days. So in olden days, and there's some of this custom in some shuls today, right? When they have many guests, right, and guests need a place for a meal, right? So all of the rich people, or not even rich, the more fortunate people, or some people who can afford, they just invite guests. But in olden days, there were many impoverished people, right? So invite such a family, it was a big deal, right? So meaning, again, as we said today, you are merciful to somebody else less fortunate. You have a job, you make a living, you have even a few dollars savings, right? So of course you can you must help that less fortunate people. Okay. Continue. Hoshana Rabbah. So Hoshana Rabbah is what is it? It's a last day. No, it's not last day. It's not seventh, not 8th and 9th. It's a 7th day. Right, to Succos, Hoshana Rabbah. Hoshana Rabbah is one. The Hoshana Rabbah is a day when we learn the whole day, right? The whole night. Hoshana Rabbah is one should make sure to increase his giving of tzedakah. Some have a custom on Hoshana Rabbah, after completing the mitzvah of lulav and esrog, so meaning in the morning, that the pregnant woman removes a pitam, small protuberance from the esrog, and gives some tzedakah in a sgula remedy for easy childbirth. She recites special tefillah at that time. Okay, footnote for the tefillah. Okay, doesn't matter. The tefillah is here. So okay, so let's see one more time. So special time for Hoshana Rabbah. So it says that on Yom Kippur there is what is it? On Yom Kippur there is a day of appeal, right? But on Hoshana Rabbah, it's when it is sealed. That's why some people have a custom. It's not widely accepted custom, but some people have a custom to learn the whole night. Just so you know, people who are new, this custom became popular maybe 15-20 years ago. That's it. It was not popular always. It's not. Okay. So, but it was it became very popular to learn the whole night. So this woman who is pregnant, she breaks the pitam. Pitam is a piece on the esrog. So it has a, I don't know how to, like a leg or something, like this piece that connects to the tree, right? And from another side there is a special protrusion. And when you buy esrog, that the first question they ask, you want to be the pitam or without pitam? The pitam is very sensitive part. If you break it, that's it. The whole esrog is worth exactly zero. It's not kosher. But some of them come without pitam because it falls off by itself. Fell off from when it was still on a tree. Then there is no problem. But it was broken off. It's 100% not kosher. So we're trying to we're very careful not to break it, of course. I mean, and but that since it is the last time when we already shook the lulav in the esrog, right? It's actually with the halal, and we go. It's a very long prayer. This prayer, Hoshana Rabbah, it's longer than on Shabbos, maybe by half an hour. We go about. The bima, or in my shul there is since there is many people, we go around the whole shul. But in small congregation they just follow circle the bima, right? And 7 times all of the special putim and stuff like that. Okay, so she breaks the the piton and be good. Okay, for a good, easy childbirth.